Now I'm taking my lipstick kit in the shade Berryberry. And Berryberry is like a raspberry neutral pink. And my lip liners are so smooth and creamy. They just glide onto your lips. And this is just with the lip liner. Then taking the matching liquid lipstick in the shade Berryberry. And just filling in the spaces that the lip liner didn't get. And my lip are so velvety and smooth. Don't have like that drying matte. It's just that, like, you know, smooth matte where your lips still remain hydrated. And this is in the shade Berryberry. And this just makes you feel like a boss. Like, I love it. A very neutral pink. I would recommend this type of shade for type 6 to type 4 because it's gonna like make your melanin pop even more. I love it. Again, dries down to matte. It won't have your lips feel cracky or anything. You won't feel them throughout the day. They'll just feel like nothing's there, but you still have like a bold, beautiful lippy on. No transfer at all. No issues, no problems.